Hello, in this video I want to show you how to disable DMs on Instagram app on our phone. First we need find and open the icon Instagram, and here just go to the profile tab, our account, and here find the three lines on the top right. Just click on it. Here select the setting and privacy. And then just scroll down here. Find the messages and story replies. Here click on the manage controls. Then we have here the menu. Just click on the your followers on Instagram, click on it. And here click on the don't receive requests. Click on the check mark here. And then click on the back arrow. And that's all for today. We can choose the other peoples and click on the don't receive request too. And this all. Goodbye.